everyone, my name is Jasmine, sales manager from a hair factory. In the last video, I have shown you 5 reasons why your hair is tangled, and in this video today, I will show you how to comb the very tangled hair I'm holding here. And you can see that this is very tangled hair. The comb cannot go through the hair. I will try my hand. You can see that. My hand also cannot go through the hair. This hair very tangled. Now I will show you how to comb the hair, this tangled hair. Fresh water in the tangled hair. You can see that. And you comb the hair from the tip. Then move to the you can see that the comb can go through the hair now. I'm gonna try my hand. You can see that? My hand can go through the hair now. This is the way how we comb the very tangled hair. You can learn from it from now, and please comb the hair very gently. This is the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching.